one of the company who is trying to redefine the education, the entire education system through immersive technologies. Hi. May I know your name?
Alok Sharma.
Okay, so first I want to know about your company. What exactly it does?
Kompanions, by the name it says, it was knowledge companion. So we replaced the letter C with K, and we believe that we are the companions for any student, we are companions for any educational institute who want to develop something which is immersive and would want to reduce the efforts of a student to learn those complex topics in a very immersive way. So that's how it is. Companions, the K goes by knowledge and the C, the companions. At Kompanions, we are building products that are meant from KG to PG. So we develop products which are based on immersive technologies of augmented reality, virtual reality, mixed reality. So through these technologies, the things which are pretty complex for a kid or maybe a student who's in undergrad to visualize, we use these concepts and maybe help them visualize these concepts pretty easily. So right from KG, like maybe through an example of maybe you teach a kid the product modules like shapes and dimensions. So how about maybe you wearing a VR kit and you experience that you are riding on a dragon and you see the mountains like in a 360-degree view, and through rhyming you are learning about shapes and dimensions. So through these technologies, the open rate, which is pretty low in a book, is very high through these technologies. Second, the visualization power increases vis-a-vis through a regular monotonous way of going through the textbooks. So we believe that the technology, this VR technology, is the next USP for any school, is next USP for any sort of an understanding or the learning methodologies.
So do you think schools are really open for this kind of products?
So with the advent of the new technologies, right? So people are open for smart boards, people are open for smart classes. So generally, even the government is focusing on setting up certain smart labs in their the colleges and the schools. So be it maybe a straight run school or a college or maybe a central body run schools and colleges. So these colleges, private colleges and schools, they are pretty open for these technologies because they are anyways doing they want the students to maybe reduce their time and effort that they do to understand any sort of a complex topic, and this can very easily be done through virtual reality.
What's your take on this?
So being an immersive storyteller, it is very important that we create interactive measures for the students, and it is not possible for schools and universities to actually go and give them practical exposure. So we bring that practical exposure in the classrooms and integrate with learning in such a manner that they can enjoy that and they can interact with the technology and experience how it is actually happening.
These days, the kind of technology that we work on, we at Kompanions categorically, we believe that we build products which is scalable. And the product can only be scalable if in case it's been built first for the low-end tech hardwares, and then it's affordable. So the kind of hardwares that we use and the kind of labs we set up, they are pretty affordable. It's not maybe a overhead which is pretty high, unlike maybe setting up the entire infrastructure. So we provide the hardware, we provide the content at a pretty fairly affordable price to them. So which is not maybe what we say 1% of their existing setup cost. So we understand that the technology has to be scalable, so done on a low spec and with a low cost.
It's really nice. Okay, thank you so much for interacting with us. It was great.